Beating markets, finite. Reaching goals, finite. But masters know trading is about becoming infinite. Finite games have winners and losers, start and end rules that don't change, players who quit. Infinite games have players who continue, no endpoint. Evolving rules, perpetual growth. Finite traders, burn out, blow up, give up. Infinite traders, compound, evolve, transcend. When you shift to infinite game, losses don't end you, they teach. Wins don't define you, they fund. Markets don't stress you, they fascinate. Time becomes irrelevant, only growth matters. The infinity shift happened for me and one sentence broke again. Account blown, career over. My mentor asked, what if this is just chapter 3 of a 50-chapter book? Everything changed, not positive thinking. Perspective thinking. In a 50-chapter story, Chapter 3, Disaster, Setup for Chapter 7, Comeback. Chapter 11, Success, Prelude to Chapter 15, Wisdom, Chapter 23, Mastery, Foundation for Chapter 30, Innovation. You can't lose an infinite game. You can only stop playing, and stopping is the only way to lose. Ask yourself, if I knew I'd trade for 50 more years, how would I trade today? Still revenge trade. Why? Still skip homework? Why? Still break rules? Why? If every trade was teaching me something I'd need in year 30, what would I learn? Patience in year 1 pays off in year 10. Discipline in year 5 compounds to year 15. Humility in year 10 saves you in year 20. The infinite player's creed. I don't trade to arrive. I trade to evolve. I don't trade to win. I trade to learn. I don't trade to prove. I trade to improve. I don't trade against anyone. I trade with everyone. I don't trade for endings. I trade for beginnings. Every loss is tuition for a lesson I needed. Every win is fuel for the journey ahead. Every day is practice for a game that never ends. Your choice, keep playing finite games. Chase monthly returns, compare to others. Burn out in 5 years, join the 95% who quit. Or join the infinite game, chase daily evolution. Compare to yesterday's, you compound. For 50 years, join the 1% who transcend. The game is infinite. The players are few. The rewards are everything. Not just money, mastery, not just success, significance, not just winning, becoming. Look back at section 1. That person who thought discipline was the problem, they were playing finite games. Now you know better. You know the real game. The only game worth playing. The game that never ends. The final integration. 60 minutes ago, you thought the problem was discipline. Now, you know the truth. Discipline was never the problem. You were trading with someone else's identity. Your trauma was trading through you. Your shadow was sabotaging you. Your beliefs were limiting you. Your finite thinking was killing you. But more importantly, you now know markets are mirrors reflecting consciousness. Trading is the ultimate personal development tool. Every loss is a teacher in disguise. Every win is a test of character. Identity creates results, not strategy. The game is infinite for those who see it. From the $2 million disaster to infinite player. From dopamine addict to reality architect. From desperate trader to consciousness explorer. From finite prisoner to infinite dancer. This isn't where your journey ends. This is where your real journey begins. The 10 laws of trading psychology. 1. Your account balance mirrors your internal balance. 2. Every blown stop is a suicide note from your past. 3. The market pays you what you believe you deserve. 4. Your biggest winning streak is countdown to destruction. 5. Your trading account is family trauma on replay. 6. The trader who needs to win has already lost. 7. Scarcity consciousness creates scarcity results.